Syed Yadullah, 7th class, to perform. Give him a big round of applause.
Good evening to everyone. My name is Syed Yadullah. I am studying 7th standard in Itaram Public School. Now we are going to telling about uses of mathematics in our daily life. Mathematics plays a vital role in our daily life. Often in ways we do not even notice. Here the main areas were maths used every day. Managing money, budgeting income and expenses, calculating discounts while shopping, comparing prices and offers, understanding interest and loans and saving, filling taxes. Example, when you calculate 20% of during a sale, you are using percentage. Shopping and cooking, measuring ingredients, grams, cups, liters, adjusting recipe quantities, comparing product size and price, calculating total bill. Example, if a recipe serves 4 and you need it for 8 people, you double the ingredients. Time management, reading clocks and calendars, planning daily schedules, calculating travel time, setting alarm and a reminder. Example, if a meeting starts at 3:30 p.m. and will last 45 minutes, you are calculating end time. Travel and navigation, calculating speed, distance and time, reading maps and GPS direction, estimating fuel consumption. Example, distance, speed into time, estimate arrival time, construction and home design, measuring area and volume, calculating materials needed, tile, paint, cement. Designing furniture's layout. Example, measuring area and volume help determine how much flooring is needed. Technology and smartphones. Internet data uses calculations. Digital payment and banking. Computer programming based on mathematical logic. Example, apps uses algorithms, mathematical instruments to function properly. Health and fitness. Calculating calories burned. Measuring body temperature and heart rate. Determining medicine dosage, tracking steps and workout progress. Example, doctor calculate medicine dosage based on body weight. Education and career, science experiment and research, engineering and architecture, business and economics, statistics to data analysis. Example, companies use statistics analysis based sales to predict trends. Banking and investments, calculating profit and loss, understanding compound interest, analyzing to financial growth. Example, compound interest help money growth faster over time. Sports and game, keeping score, measuring performance, analyzing player statistics, probability in game. Example, batting average in cricket and shooting percentage in basketball, calculating in maths. Conclusion, mathematics in every work, in money, time, technology, health and decision making. It helps us solve problems, make better decisions, and live more organized lives. All of you, thank you.
Excellent performance.